It has been 21 days since I started the English fluency journey, and today is the end of week 3. Now, to be very honest, I'm going to share with you the honest review and the reflection part of my these 21 days. Okay, so basically, the whole reflection of today's is divided into three major parts. Part one is about the progress I made in these 21 days. Part two is about the problem I or the struggle I faced, and the part three is the climax of the video, because part three is the crucial in which I'm gonna share with you the focus for my next remaining days I'm gonna follow. Hey everyone, this is Farti. Welcome to my channel. So let's start with the part 1, that is the progress one. So the progress number 1 I made in these 21 days is the familiarity with the native speaker's voice, accent and their tone. And that is all because of the shadowing practice. Trust me guys, it's really effective technique. Like initially it can find you a bit challenging, but gradually you will command on it, and it's gonna be benefit you for sure. Now the progress too I made, that is the learning new vocabularies and phrases. So some phrases I learned in due to the shadowing, of course, like fed up, to show off, to catch up, to wrap up, or like on the fence, or in the same boat. Like these lot of phrases I learned, and I learned a lot of new vocabularies like eventually, crummy, whining, and on aeroplane mode, doom scrolling, and sculpt, or like lots of vocabularies are there. It's not possible to recap all the vocabularies right now. And the third progress I made, that is the grammar rules I got from watching the insightful videos based on the grammars, and I got the insightful knowledge as well while having the consumption of the English content only. So yes guys, these three major progress I made in these 21 days. Now let's talk about the part 2, that is the problem. Now what problem I am still facing, that is I am struggling with speaking even for a 1 minute till now. Like I'm not able to speak on any topic. Like on any topic I'm not able to speak confidently and without taking any pause, or without being fumble and blank. This is all because I am focusing on generating the exact structure, the perfect sentence. Now the solution for this problem is the climax for my today's video. Now here is the shift for my next 9 days I'm gonna follow. Like the realization I got today, that till now, since day 1 to day 21, I am just focusing on the one way communication. Whatever I'm learning, having, or speaking, it's just a one way communication. Like there is no responding and all. I'm just speaking, listening from one side. It's not like two-way communication process that we are communicating with each other simultaneously. So I thought that I need to focus on it. Only then I will be able to speak on any topic exactly while having the real conversation. So for that I came up with a solution, that I will use AI to speak with me as a two-way communication. And I know definitely if I will follow the step 3 instead of following the paraphrasing, I will focus on the two-way communication with AI. Daily I will speak with AI regarding any topic, so that it can help me to correct as well. So this is what the shift for my next 9 days. So that's all for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.